Hello everybody. It's 3:10 right now. The markets are still open and let us check out the indicator performance for today, which is 24th February. Now let's start with Nifty. Today we got a buy signal here in Nifty. This is a 5-minute Nifty chart. We got a buy signal here, but no trade happened here. Why? Because the closing of the next candle was lesser than the candle in which we got the signal. You will learn this when you purchase our indicator. You will also get a strategy video in which you will learn how to trade. Then we got a sell signal here around 16,531 levels, and it went down right till here around 16,230, giving us an almost profit of more than 100 points. Now let's check out Bank Nifty. For Bank Nifty today, unfortunately no signal was generated. Now let's see some stocks. This is a Hindustan lever chart. For equity, the time frame will be 3 minutes. For index, it's 5 minutes. So Hindustan lever, we got a buy signal here around 2208. It went up till 2234. Again we got a sell signal around 2220. It went down all the way till 2191 levels. This is TCS chart. For TCS again we got a buy signal here. Unfortunately, again a sell signal was generated. So here there was a stop loss of around 10 to 12 points. But when the sell signal came, it came around 3454 levels. It went down till 3400 levels, giving us a profit of almost 50 points, a net profit of 40 points. So ultimately we have a good profit in TCS. Now next script, Tata Steel. In Tata Steel again we got a buy signal here, and again the market reversed. As you know that today was a volatile day. We got a sell signal here. Our buy signal, there was a stop loss in buy signal, a small stop loss, but the sell signal gave us a good return till here. It went down right till here. Now this is Hindalco. Hindalco, we got a buy signal here around 515 levels, which went up till 527, and then we got a sell signal here, but the sell signal was not executed. Why? Because the next candle, the closing of the next candle was not lower than the candle in which we got the signal. So no trade happened. As I said, when you purchase our indicator, you will also get a strategy video on how to trade and use the indicator. Next stock, Britannia. We got a buy signal here in Britannia, and then again it reversed. We got a sell signal. When we got this sell signal, as you can see, it got executed in almost our buying range only. So there was a no profit, no loss in the buy signal, but the sell signal gave us a very good profit. It went down right till here, right till here, and then as you can see again there was a buy signal, but we will ignore this signal. Why? Any signal which comes after 2 p.m. will not trade. That is a thumb rule. And let's check out one more stock, which is JSW. For JSW also again we got a buy signal here. It went up till here, but again it reversed. So again we got a sell signal here. So almost we exited in the the buy at cost to cost, and the sell signal, which was at 598 levels, came down till 572. So today the markets were very volatile, but still the indicator worked pretty well, giving us a very good return. So if you want this indicator, you can let me know. This indicator works on mobile as well as on desktop. It comes with a lifetime validity. You will This indicator works in all market segments, in equity, Nifty, Bank Nifty, Commodity, Forex, Crypto, for intraday as well as positional traders. And along with the indicator, you will also get our trading strategy video on how to take the trades. Also, you will get full support in case you are unable to understand anything or apply the indicator. Just give us a WhatsApp. You will get our full support from our side. That's all for today. Hope you had a profitable day today. Bye.